Everything here is TIFCO's new line of American-made Cottonmouth abrasives. TIFCO stocks Type 27 grinding wheels, quick change discs, and mounted points. But just what is Cottonmouth? Cottonmouth is a line of abrasives that is made from layers of non-woven cotton fiber that have been impregnated by an abrasive grain. You might not think cotton makes much sense as an abrasive, but its use leads to some very key advantages over standard products. Fast, one-step working. You can go from light grinding and knocking down a weld to finishing in one step. Versatility. Cottonmouth can be used on a wide range of materials, from mild steel to stainless steel to soft metals like aluminum, all without having to switch out wheels. Cool cutting. New grains are continually exposed during use, so the grinding action is much cooler, leading to less bluing. Smooth, quiet action. With its soft, cushion-like grinding action, vibrating and chatter is reduced. Safer. The layered cotton construction means they are not going to fracture. Long life. What's to say? These last longer. Between the unique characteristics of the cotton fiber matrix and its non-loading properties, Cottonmouth products will last significantly longer than the abrasives you are used to. That leads me to non-loading. Cottonmouth simply does not load, so no need to switch to a specially coated abrasive wheel when working with soft metals like aluminum. In fact, let me show you just how well this works on aluminum. This may be the most impressive Cottonmouth feature. It goes from steel to just mowing through aluminum. Can you imagine doing this with a standard wheel? Basically, Cottonmouth is the abrasive you didn't even know you were waiting for. So let's look at the actual products. First off, Cottonmouth Type 27 grinding discs. These practically replace everything from hard wheels to finishing discs because they grind, blend, and finish. There are two varieties of the Type 27 Cottonmouth wheels. A 36 grit, 4.5 inch by 1/4 inch thick wheel. Part number 4854 has a 7/8 arbor, and part number 4855 is a 5/8 11 threaded hub. There's also a Cottonmouth Flex product. These are also a 36 grit by 4.5 inch wheel, but they are 5/32 inch thick. Part number 4888 has a 7/8 arbor, and part number 4889 is a 5/8 11 threaded hub. What makes the Flex items different is that, as you may have guessed, it is a more flexible product. This flexibility leads to a better surface finish. For both of these products, there is no backing to gouge the work surface. And here's a tip for using them. Grind at a 45-degree angle for an increased cut and 30 degrees for a smoother finish. The next two products are the 2-inch and 3-inch quick change or roll lock discs. These Cottonmouth products are for use on pneumatic die grinders and have all the same advantages of the Type 27 wheels: versatility, cool cutting, smooth action, non-loading, and a long life. The available range of 24 grit through 80 grit will enable a user to do everything from light grinding through polishing. The roll-lock backed Cottonmouth products are available in 3 assortments. Part number 87137 is a 2-inch metalworking tray that contains 2 grits of Inferno discs for heavy grinding, all 4 grits of Cottonmouth, 2 grits of Python discs for fine finishing, and a TIFCO infrared disc for coating removal. A roll-lock backing pad and an angled die grinder is also included. This is a great assortment that really lets a user do it all. Part number 87138 has the exact same contents as the 87137, but each disc is 3 inches. Part number 87139 contains both sizes of the Cottonmouth quick change discs in all 4 grits, along with the backing pads and an angled die grinder. Finally, Cottonmouth is also available in mounted points. TIFCO stocks 12 of the most popular shapes, each available in 2 grits. The 54 grit mounted points are ideal for deburring and blending, while the 120 grit ones are perfect for polishing. These are made in specific shapes, so they are the best option for corners, IDs, and other tight spaces. They let you get the exact finish you want where other products don't fit, all without the risk of gouging. Part number 86234 is the 54 grit handy pack, and 86235 is the 120 grit handy pack. The Cottonmouth mounted point trays are part number 84730, which contains every shape and grit, and part number 87127, which comes with 10 shapes in both grits for a total of 20 common shapes plus Tifco straight die grinder. Additionally, there are 2 Cottonmouth kits. Each comes with 10 mounted points in a plastic case with a foam insert and Tifco straight die grinder. Part number 27000 is 54 grit and part number 26999 is 120 grit.